All right, today we're gonna be looking at a really cool doorbell made by Reolink. This is the Reolink Video Doorbell PoE. It's a great product if you're looking for a doorbell with a camera. It also has a audio feature where you get you can talk back and forth with someone in the house, and it's got a doorbell chime. So you can see the one here installed right behind me. It's pretty easy to operate. I'll show you this right here, how you just open this here. You got a plug on it, plugs right in to the wall. Has a audio, the sound here. You can adjust the type of chime and then your setting button, and there's your button. So the way it works, I'm gonna open up another one here so you can see it, or how it plugs in on the back, just like this. This is a black version of it. It still has a white door chime, but there's a PoE connector right in the back right there, like a port, and that's where you plug in. So your Cat 6 wire will go right in there. Cat 5 will work in it as well. And then this just goes right, has a mounting bracket. It snaps around the mounting bracket. They also comes with one of the brackets that actually will turn. So if you want to snap this on here, it'll kick it at an angle like that. So that works out pretty cool too. The other thing it has is if you have a regular doorbell, it has an adapter that you can hook up your doorbell to, or like hook up this to the wiring for your existing doorbell, tie onto this, and then it will power this up. However, it has to be working off Wi-Fi. So if you're looking for a low EMF home, that's not a great way to do it. But it does have that capability on it. And it also comes with a patch cable if you just need a little short cable. It has these as well. But if you're wiring a house, like a new house like this one, you're gonna be running a Cat 6 wire down to this all the way from your structured media panel. So the other thing, let's see what the model number on this guy was, so you can get that. We'll put a link in the description here. But this one that we have, the white on white, that's a item number D340P. So Reolink Video Doorbell PoE. So this is where the cable comes down, the Cat 6. It comes down from our structured media panel that's sitting, it's actually up top above us right here. You can see other Cat 6s running down. But that comes down here. It's dedicated to this one specific location. We leave a little service loop back here, and then that goes through the zip sheathing, and we put some duct seal, just like this material you see here. It's real pliable. We put that on the inside here, so when you pull your cable in or cable out, it doesn't end up messing up, it doesn't end up breaching your air seal, so it still stays sealed. And we'll put that also inside the box on the outside of the house, so you make sure you don't have the air leaking in to your wall cavity. So this is your structured media panel, and this is where your Cat 6 runs to. And inside of here, you would put your PoE switch, which I'll show you in a second, down below. So we have one of those where you'd run in, it takes off and it powers up that camera, that PoE switch. Let's go take a look at that. And this is a Reolink PoE switch. It powers up here in the back, has a grounding screw as well, has 8 PoE ports and 2 uplink ports, as you can see here. So that comes in this box here, and I believe that one is their RLA-PS1. So you can get that on Amazon as well. We'll put a link in the description. So cool doorbell. It's got some features, so you can talk to people inside. You can record video, and you also have a Bluetooth doorbell chime. So, all right, so I hope that was helpful. If you'd like more information about building a custom home, building an ADU or whole house remodel, visit our website at freemansconstruction.com. If you need help buying or selling real estate, visit our website at freemansrealty.com. Thanks again for watching.